Okay. Good morning, Ari Ramesh. Didn't see you for some days. Where were you, beta? Okay, I think only his chat option works. Okay, so let me ask you a question before beginning. How many of you have confirmed your admissions with Asta? Raise your hand. Okay. The ones who have confirmed their admissions with Asta. Rameshwar, Ashutosh, Ayush. Only 3 people. Ari has also confirmed his admissions. Fine. All right. Okay, so
Atharva Shelke also.
sorry,
Atharva Shelke also, ma'am.
Atharva Shilke.
Might be he's not able to uh, up the hand.
Oh, fine, fine. All right. Very good. So I was just imagining how many people I'll get to see when I, come to the academy the other day. Okay, I'm so happy that I could see Ashutosh, Ayush, Rameshwar, right? So that we can have a class face to face. Very good, wonderful. I'm just waiting to meet you guys so that we can start with the interview sessions. So many other things we can do when we are meeting offline. Okay, face to face in class. Very good, wonderful. Can't wait to see you guys. All right, so yesterday we were learning about what prepositions and its rules. Okay, those who have missed yesterday's class, I'll just give a gist of what we have learned yesterday. So, in order to solve or crack the questions in your NDA or any competitive exam, in that case, you cannot expect questions in the way you have expected it in your high school and school uh, questions. Okay, like set of propositions are given, pick the right one. The crow sat by the river. Our by choose karna hai. That you have done in your second and third standard. Here kya hai, we get questions, for example, sentence improvement questions, spotting the error questions, fill in with the right phrases in the comprehension like questions. These are the kind of question patterns we will get. So whatever rules we learn in grammar, it should be applied in this level. Okay, so that is what I was saying. We are learning certain propositions and its rules. Rules क्यों जानना है? अगर गलती point out करने के लिए सही क्या है वो समझ में आना है ना? So in order to find out what is wrong, you need to understand the right thing. That is why we are talking and learning about rules. So that is why we are learning prepositions as well. Rameshwar, busy talking. Look here, beta. Listen here. Whoever you are speaking to, you can speak to them after 1 hour. Okay? Yeah. So today we are going to see yesterday what all rules or which all prepositions rules associated we have learned. Ashutosh, you were there in the class. आपको याद में क्या है? I mean, what I try to ask is, what is there in your brain yesterday's?
In is used to big places and at is used to special space place.
Bigger place and smaller place? Is
Yes.
that how it is? Yes. Okay, fine. Very good. At least you remember one point. And what is that different types of in the beginning, at the beginning, that difference mein kya hai? We have learned 3 types of time associated in and its usage. What is that? Who can say it? Those who were present in yesterday's class. Shivtesh, you were there, beta, yesterday's class, mein? No response. Rameshwar?
Ma'am, in the time, on the time, and in good time.
So what is that in good time?
In good time means comfortable margin. In comfortable margin.
So we have learned a new word there, margin and all, margin free supermarket and all those things I was explaining. Okay. So if you want to say that the flight was dash time, which is the best preposition there? The flight के बारे में बोलते हैं तो dot वो time पे था. इसे क्यों कैसे बता दूं?
On the time.
In time, on time, or good time? The flight was
And-
on time.
Yes, ma'am. On time.
Okay. Yeah, you remember very good. So today we will see some more rules associated with different prepositions. Over to screen sharing. Don't go anywhere. Stay there. And while I explain, please don't write. After I finish explaining, you can write. Ma'am, there was network issue yesterday, so I left the lecture in the middle only. Okay, beta. But try to get the notes from someone. All right. It is important to have all the notes. All right. Over to screen sharing. Please be there. So these are yesterday's notes. We have finished with the learning thing. Today we will continue with the thing. So yesterday we have seen 4 rules. That's why I have put rule number 5 here. So as you know, above and below, these are also examples for preposition. What is with above and below? Above and below denotes positions up and down. Sky is above us. He is standing below the bridge. So exactly the position, okay? To show up and down position, we will use the word above and below. Now, what does, see, some people confuse above and below with under and over. Donanka, if you see the meaning seems to be not very different. Even above and below and under and over all have the same meaning is what we think, but it's not the same. Under and over denotes position as well as it carry a sense of covering or movement. So under and below or over or above, it's not always the same meaning. Matlab, above and below is literal meaning. किसी के नीचे और किसी के ऊपर. That is the meaning of above and below. Taken under and over is not just exactly I was below the tree bolte, but not always I was under the tree. There is a flat over me, we will not say there is a flat above my flat. Okay, so that is the difference. It always literal meaning ke liye under and over. It is sometimes, you know, if you want to say something moving under something, we will never say that train is running below the bridge. Nahi bolte. The train is running under the bridge. The bird is flying above the pond. Hum kabhi nahi bolte. The bird is flying over the pond. Okay, so this is how you have to make out the difference in above and below, under and over. There are chances this will give ulta pulta in your question paper, and you can right away spot the error and you can figure it out. All right. Now, the other usage of under. Under can also mean junior in ranks, represents an ownership or authority. He is under me. मतलब क्या है? वो मेरे नीचे खड़ा है? No. He is under me means if you are in the position of a manager and if he's a supervisor, he is someone under you. So designation, ranks, वो बोलने के लिए हम ये under word use करेंगे. And this property is under my name. Okay, this plot is under my name. मतलब क्या है? मैं है इसका owner. So ownership बताने के लिए भी हम under word use करेंगे. This property is below my name. No. So वो below means नीचे है, लेकिन under ownership भी show करते हैं. Now, beneath has the same meaning as of under, but it is used only for abstract meanings. ये देखो. There is one word called beneath. कैसे प्रोनाउंस करें? BENEATH, beneath. Now, beneath का मीनिंग क्या है? Beneath का मीनिंग अंडर का मीनिंग है, लेकिन it is only used for abstract meanings. Now, abstract meanings मतलब क्या है? Abstract nouns. Abstract मतलब क्या है? Who can say what do you mean by abstract? Abstract nouns क्या है? Which cannot be seen or counted. I am so happy. Happy is an abstract noun. Can you touch happy? Can you touch happiness? Can you weigh happiness? Can you count happiness? No. So such nouns are known as happy, joy, sad, cool, I feel peaceful, I feel calm. These kind of things are known as abstract noun. Okay, so ये abstract noun सब describe करने के लिए हम ये beneath word use करेंगे. Just look at the example, it will be more clear. Beneath her happy face, there always lied an undefinable sadness. वो उनके चेहरे हमेशा बहुत हैप्पी दिखते हैं, लेकिन वो हैप्पी और वो खुश चेहरे के नीचे एक हम बोल नहीं सकते, इससे एक सैडनेस छुपा रहता है. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन्स? उसके फेस के नीचे मतलब आप फेस उठा के देते हैं तो आप वो सैडनेस देखते हैं क्या? और स्किन निकालते देते हैं तो वो देखते हैं क्या? So that is not literally under her skin or under her face. That means that though her face looks very happy, मन में दुख है. Okay, so that is some abstract meaning, not the literally facing of under and over and all those things. So beneath is used for such abstract nouns and abstract concepts. समझ में आया सबको? So please take down this 5th and 6th rule concerning under and over, above and below. Take it fast.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I move to the next slide, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Going on to the rule number 7. See, yesterday I have told you, you remember ago, before, and all those things, and in time, on time. Similarly, there is something called at the beginning, at the end. Yesterday also, we have learned something with end and okay, I'll show you that. At in the end, okay, in the end, and today we are going to stay the go second last slide. In the end, at first he was scared, in the end he started enjoying it. Okay, so in the end मतलब क्या है, ने क्या बोला, in the end मतलब सबसे अंत, आखिरी में, ऐसा नहीं है. Something was different in the beginning, but later on, that is the meaning of in the end. At first he was scared, but in the end he started enjoying it. मतलब सबसे अंत में start enjoy किए, ऐसा नहीं है. Later on, that is the meaning of the word in the end. Now today we are going to see at the beginning and at the end. So there is a difference between in the end and at the end. In the beginning, at the beginning. In the beginning मतलब क्या है? In the beginning मतलब सबसे पहले ऐसा था, लेकिन later on something has changed. In the beginning, it was online class, but because of the pandemic situation, it became, I mean, since the restriction was taken off, it became offline class. So पहले कुछ था, लेकिन बाद में कुछ changes हुआ. That is when we use in the beginning. In the end भी ऐसा है, पहले सेम था, लेकिन बाद में at the end, I mean, in the end, something has changed. लेकिन at the beginning and at the end में some different meaning here. Let's see what it is. At the beginning means literally at the beginning. At the end means literally at the end. Okay? In the beginning, in the end means क्या था? बाद में कुछ changes है, बाद में, दोनों को वो meaning है. लेकिन इधर literal meaning है. At the beginning मतलब सबसे पहले. That's it. At the end means सबसे आखिर. That's it. At the beginning of the road, you will find a big tree. So road के सबसे beginning में एक tree. So बाद में वो tree change नहीं होने वाला है. So at the beginning means that road का, that is one point. It's not a changing factor. At the end of the assignment, you will find the reference. So assignment के the last page में you will find the reference. It's not like later on that page will become something else. No. वो last में reference आप देखेंगे. So that is one point. लेकिन in the beginning, in the end means something which will change eventually. Okay, please note down the difference. Next, coming to the next 8th rule of preposition, no preposition verbs. मतलब क्या है? Some verbs के साथ हम कभी नई prepositions use नहीं करेंगे. No prepositions will be used after these verbs when they are used in active voice. Which verbs के साथ? Order, request, reach, attack, resemble, investigate, accompany, emphasize, discuss. There are a lot. Enter, flee, join, affect, compromise. This verbs के सामने हम prepositions use नहीं करेंगे. Example देखो, reach is one example. So we reached the station on time. We reached at the station on time. नहीं बोलेंगे. Usually we say that. Okay, we reached at the station बोलेंगे, लेकिन we reached the station on time बोलेंगे हम. Okay. Next rule, omit to. To omit करना है. कब? Omit to after the verb of communication like advise, tell, call, command, order, encourage, request, inform. ऐसे verb के बाद हम to omit करना है मतलब to use नहीं करना है. I have heard several people saying like this, call to sir, call to that student, call to his parent. ऐसे we will not say call to, call to, call to. Okay, call command इसके बाद हम to नहीं use कर. I command him to leave. I command to him. I call to him. I advise to him. I tell to him. No, इसे communication verbs. हम बोल सकते वाला words है. Command, advise, tell, call, order, encourage. These are all communicating related verbs है. इसके बाद हम to नहीं use करेंगे. Next one, till and until. What is the difference between till and until? Till is used for a particular time, where until is used for an indefinite time. Okay, till एक particular time. वो time कितना है, कैसा है, क्या है, हमारे को वो correct idea है. That is where we use till. Until means we are saying an approximate time. Until we meet next time. ओके, until we meet next time मतलब क्या है, हम अगले बार मीट कर ले तक. ओके, सो अगले कब मीट करेंगे वो पता नहीं है, लेकिन until we meet. till है तो we will wait till the meeting gets over. वो पता नहीं है, अंत तक ऐसा नहीं है. मीटिंग जब एंड करेंगे तब. ओके, सो till is something specific. It is known which time tak. Lekin until is used when we don't know. That is why it's called indefinite. Definite means definition, definite. These all what we know that is exact. Indefinite means itna clear cut and precise nahi hai. He worked until he fell down. He worked till 5 p.m. ये देखो वर्क के बारे में. उन्होंने कब तक वर्क किया हमारे को पता नहीं. उन्हें वर्क करके करते 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 रहते फाइनली क्या हुआ, वो तक हो करके वो गिर गया, उधर तक वर्क किया. लेकिन हमने एक टाइम अलॉटेड था, उस टाइम तक वर्क किया. सो वी वर्क टिल 5 p.m. वी विल नेवर से वी वर्क अनटिल 5 p.m. कभी नहीं बोलेंगे. वी वर्क टिल 5 p.m. ही वर्क एंड ही फेल डाउन. उनको पता नहीं था कब तक वर्क करनी है. वर्क कर कंटिन्यूड वर्किंग वर्किंग एंड वर्किंग एंड फाइनली ही फेल डाउन. Please take it down, this page 7, 8, 9, and 10th rule. Fast.
मैम अफेक्ट के बाद कौन सा वर्ड है?
वेयर बेटा? हाँ ओके,
मैम इन 8th वन।
अफेक्ट कॉम्प्रोमाइज है, वो सी सिर्फ उधर गया, COMPRISE, कॉम्प्रोमाइज।
हेलो मैम।
यस हो गया बेटा?
मैम अभी जो लास्ट वाला एग्जांपल है जिसके अंदर टिल और अनटिल है, तो उसके अंदर जो लास्ट सेकंड लास्ट पॉइंट दिया है, इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ अ सेंटेंस अनटिल इज अप्रोप्रिएट, बट जो उसके नीचे एग्जांपल है उसके अंदर तो अनटिल बीच में आया है।
हाँ, so it's not like it has to be always in the beginning. अगर beginning में है तो till से until appropriate है. That is the meaning बेटा. If you want to mention till and until, or if you get a question saying that until something is finished, it was over. So till से until sentence के beginning appropriate है. Okay? Till से until sentence के beginning appropriate है. It's not like until is always used in the beginning. No, ऐसा नहीं है. Until बीच में use करते हैं, beginning में use करते हैं. लेकिन till और until अगर हमको choose करने हैं तो sentence के beginning में हमेशा कौन अच्छा है? Until अच्छा है. Understood,
Okay,
बेटा?
ma'am.
Who is this?
I'm
Tupe, क्या?
Rishikesh Tupe. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. Rishikesh Tupe, is your admission confirmed? With
Yes,
Askar?
ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Everybody finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So based on what we have learned, shall I give you an exercise? So आज हम
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
क्या learn किया? We have learned the difference between below, above, and under and over. So above and below has literal meaning. Under and over has some running things के लिए or an inclined meaning. That's सब है under and over. Then the other thing we have learned is under always can also show possessions, authority, ranking. Okay. And we have learned about beneath. Beneath means abstract nouns defined करने के लिए ऐसे sentences में हम beneath word use करेंगे. Then we have learned the difference between at the beginning, at the end. वो किससे कंपेयर करना है? कल हमने लर्न किया in the beginning, in the end, at the beginning, at the end. ये चारों थिंग्स के लिए यूसेज डिफरेंट है. इन द बिगिनिंग मतलब बाद में कुछ चेंज होने वाला है चीज को हम इन द बिगिनिंग यूज करते हैं. लेकिन एट द बिगिनिंग है तो फिर चेंजेस नहीं होता है, वो स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट बोलता है. सिमिलरली इन द एंड मतलब टुवर्ड्स द एंड. ओके, दैट इज द टुवर्ड्स मीनिंग है. लेकिन एट द एंड मतलब सबसे आखिरी, दैट इज द मीनिंग. ओके, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी वर्ब्स, उसके साथ हम प्रपोजिशंस नहीं यूज करेंगे. बिना प्रपोजिशन से वो अच्छा लगता है. ओके, देन देयर आर सम वर्ब्स इसके साथ हम टू कभी नहीं यूज करते, स्पेशली कम्युनिकेशन वर्ब्स के साथ. कॉल, एडवाइस, टेल, कमांड, ऑर्डर, एनकरेज, हम कुछ बात रिलेटेड वर्ब्स है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कम्युनिकेशन वर्ब्स. उसके साथ हम कभी भी टू उसके सामने हम कभी भी डाल नहीं सकते. Then the difference between till and until. Specific बोलते हैं तो till, abstract बोलते हैं तो until, and if beginning sentence में use करने हैं तो हमेशा until ही use करेंगे rather than till. Ready for the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is also Spotify the errors. 4 options. This one sentence will be divided into 4 options, and उसमें से एक option में error होगा शायद. नहीं है तो no error option चुना है. और option है तो that option वाला से error है तो that error वाला options answer जैसे लिखना है. Okay. These are the questions. Please do it. Don't just pick out the answer getting so excited. हाँ इतना easy है, बहुत easy है बोल के सिर्फ option नहीं लिखना है. Question, answer, today's date ऐसा neat सब लिखना है. I want to see all this in your notebook. amount. A pink jarnata. Acha second tatle one of the pink jarnata undu.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, good. Has everybody finished doing? Last 2 minutes.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, shall I start asking questions? Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First question. Those who have not replied. Atharva Shalke, can you please respond? Atharva Shalke?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read out the first question better. And what is the error you found there? Atharva Shalke? Hello? Am I not audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Then Atharva Shalke, why are you not responding? Sai. Sai, Sai is also not responding. And wonder what are they doing in the class? Ari Patil, please do respond, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the first question and tell me what's your answer. Unmute करके बताओ. You haven't even written it. Shivatej Bhujbal. Shivtej. Okay, you have some network connection. You are the one who messaged me. Yes, there was network issue yesterday. So today also you left. किधर है शिवतेज? Pururva.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the first question and answer, beta.
Yes, ma'am. His job is below the government of India.
Okay.
Ma'am, error is B is below the in their place. It will under.
ओके क्योंकि हम अथॉरिटी और रैंक्स के बारे में बताने के समय बिलो नहीं बोलते हैं, हम अंडर बोलते हैं, है ना? सो एरर ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट. ओके, शिवतेज हैज मैसेज्ड मी एटलीस्ट. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कुंतल माली, कैन यू से द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? Kuntal Mali, can you say the next question? Fine. Those who cannot answer, no, people are responding in chat. Okay, Shivatej has given me the answer. C. Now, why is it C? Read out the question. Who will read the question for me? What is the error there? Okay, Tupe, follow beta.
Ma'am, question number 2.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. A cat is sitting beneath the tree. Ma'am, इसके अंदर C वाला गलत है. Beneath की जगह पे under आना चाहिए.
Okay. Okay, beneath is abstract. Cat is sitting under the tree. वो एकदम literal meaning है. इसके लिए abstract beneath डालने का जरूरी नहीं है. Okay, very good. Next answer, Rameshwar.
Yes, ma'am. Third one. In the beginning of the program, they showed the title. So they should not be in the beginning. They should be at the beginning.
क्यों?
Because it's the at the beginning, or means at the at not a certain period of time. It's at the starting of the program.
Exact starting में है तो?
Exact starting.
Okay. Later on change होने वाले हैं तो हम कैसे बोलेंगे? In the beginning होने वाले. Slides और change कर सकते हैं. Then it will say that in the beginning. But इधर एकदम पहला slide के बारे में so at the beginning. Fine. Next question, Ashutosh.
Yes, ma'am. We order a for cup of thamar. Sorry, ma'am. I will repeat again. We ordered for a cup of tea.
Okay, we order for a cup of tea. कुछ error है क्या उधर?
No error.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, everybody को no error मिला. Ramesha, what is your answer?
Ma'am, मेरा
No
अलग है.
error, ma'am.
Huh? No error है. Okay, Shivatej is saying B. Now, Shivatej doesn't have a mic. So, Rishikesh Dubey, what is your answer? B. Now,
B.
why is it B? Explain.
Ma'am, order के बाद में मतलब हमें मतलब no preposition verb होना चाहिए जिसके order के after वो verb है जिसके बाद में कोई भी preposition नहीं आना चाहिए तो for नहीं आएगा.
हाँ. Okay, no
Direct
preposition
a cup of
verb
tea
का
आएगा.
हाँ. No preposition verbs का example है order. So it sounds very good. That is how this error, spot the error can be tricky. We always say these kind of things. We order for a cup of tea. लेकिन order के बाद exact rule में order के बाद for नहीं आना चाहिए. We order a cup of tea. Okay, Ashutosh, समझ में आया? Rameshwar and Ashutosh?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Next question, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I do not have the questions. Can you, ma'am, screen share and show the questions?
Aha. What did I tell you regarding this? What did I tell you regarding this? Option सिर्फ लिखने के लिए बोला मैंने. हाँ?
No, no, ma'am.
Then why did you do that, Ayush? I specifically told I don't want you to write just the answer. Next time ऐसे नहीं करना है, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Pururva, read that question, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Call to your father now.
Error कुछ है क्या उधर?
हाँ,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. There is a.
No, only Pururva will speak. Ayush is on punishment. No
Ma'am,
chance today.
call to है error.
Why?
मैम ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे टू नहीं आने को ना.
हाँ, communication verbs के बाद to नहीं आना है. Call, advise, order, command, tell, ऐसे सब communication verbs के बाद to कभी नहीं आना है. So call your father is correct. Call to your father is wrong. Okay? How many of you got it all right? हो गया ना पूरा questions? और है क्या
Yes,
questions?
ma'am, हो गए. हो
Okay.
गए.
So how many of you got all correct?
Ma'am, me Rishikesh Tupe.
Okay, you can raise your hand. Very good, Shivtesh. Very good, Pururva. Very good, Ayush. Very good, Rishikesh. Okay. Pururva, have you taken the admissions beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you not planning to join Asta? Shivtesh, have you taken the admission? Okay, otherwise responding. I got a phone call, so I got disconnected. Fine. Not yet. Fine. All right. I think in another few days, your class will begin, hopefully offline. Okay, Academy में. So at that time, I wish to see all of you. So those who are yet to take admissions, please take your admissions fast. Ashutosh, आपने लिया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So others, please take your admission fast. Once you start offline classes, it would help you a lot. Okay, so don't hesitate. Okay, anyways, you are attending these many classes online, so you have to join. I am suggesting you. Okay, so please do join the classes and please take your admission and confirm your seats fast so that I can meet you all in person. Okay. Today I'm going to stop a few minutes, 3-4 minutes earlier, because if I start with the next rule, we'll not have the time to. So, okay, I'm stopping a 3 minutes earlier. So see you tomorrow. Again, we will continue with the remaining part of proposition rules. Bye then. Take care. God bless you. Bye.